ready to finally bring those unique character concepts, swimming in your head, into stunning visual reality. Today, we're diving deep into Leonardo AI to show you exactly how to craft original characters that are truly yours. It all starts with a killer prompt. Think about your character's core traits. Are they a stoic warrior, a whimsical magician, or a quirky inventor? Be descriptive. Instead of just wizard, try an elderly, eccentric wizard with a long, braided white beard, wearing tattered purple robes adorned with celestial patterns, carrying a gnarled wooden staff topped with a glowing crystal. Now, let's refine that. What don't you want? Use negative prompts to steer the AI away from unwanted elements. For example, if you're creating a fantasy character, you might add modern clothing, blurry, deformed, to your negative prompt. The power lies in specificity. The more details you provide a circumflex euros, their species, their most defining facial feature, their typical attire, even their mood, a circumflex euros, the more unique your character will become. Think about their backstory and let that inform their appearance. Leonardo AI offers various models, each with its own artistic flair. Experiment. Try the photoreal model for a lifelike character, or the anime style for a vibrant, stylized creation. Each model will interpret your prompt differently, opening up a world of visual possibilities. Don't neglect the advanced settings. The guidance scale, for instance, controls how closely the AI adheres to your prompt. A higher scale means more literal interpretation, while a lower one can lead to more creative surprises. It's an iterative process. Generate a few options, pick the elements you love from each, and then refine your prompt based on what you see. You can even use previously generated images as inspiration for your next prompt, creating a visual dialogue with the AI. With a little creativity and smart prompting, you can unlock Leonardo AI's potential to sculpt truly original characters that will elevate your art projects to an entirely new level. Start creating.